What we need now is clarity and sobriety amid all the smoke, mirrors, and spectacle. Dapat managot ang lahat ng sangkot. Alam naman natin, guilty parties have the propensity to obfuscate, mislead, and confuse the truth seekers, including the public, just to evade accountability. Yes, they may have the truth, the whole truth in its purest form, or simply half-truths, or the facts, complete, full, or partial. But let us not be easily swayed, deluded, or manipulated to serve selfish or insidious agenda, unless these whistleblowers and witnesses, even those coming from polluted sources, submit themselves to the regular fora and legal processes of accountability. Investigate all. Leave no stone unturned. And act with utmost urgency the bill on Independent Commission Against Infrastructure Corruption, or ICAIC. Pass the legislative proposals to significantly curb corruption, dismantle political dynasties, and introduce electoral reforms. Empower our democratic and accountability institutions. Sa ating pagbabantay at pakikilahok para mapabilis ang investigasyon at siguruhing mapanagot ang mga korap, dapat na manatiling mapanuri at alerto ang taong bayan, lalo na sa mga panawagan at pagkilos na nagsusulong lang ng propaganda at pansariling agenda. Our division and discord will serve no one but the corrupt. Sa pagpapanagot sa mga kurakot, sandalan natin ang katotohanan. Panigan natin ang saligang batas. Ipanalo natin ang taong bayan.